Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this error message, app not installed on your Android phone. First we need to go to settings and we just search install unknown devices right here, or unknown apps, and just scroll down to the bottom and click on that option as well. Now from here we're gonna go and click on file manager since we have our app right there, and we're gonna click and just allow to install unknown apps from this source. And from here you're gonna have to go to Play Store, click on your profile and click on Play Protect. And after you click the settings option at the top right here, you're gonna have to turn both of these off. So turn that off, and after you do that we're gonna be able to install the app from the file manager. Now we're gonna try it right now. Just gonna search for the app that was not installed. So just click on install, and there you go. It's that easy, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and if this video helped you. See you all in the next video.